The digital world is changing fast. Today's devices must be faster, smarter, more powerful, and sustainable. To power them, semiconductor manufacturers must overcome complexity by adopting intelligent, integrated processes to deliver new products faster than the competition. How will you adapt to achieve zero defects and meet your quality goals? Discover the power of Cloud SaaS PLM with Siemens Teamcenter X Semiconductor Industry Solution. To compete in today's globalized world, you need to connect teams wherever they are to ensure everyone has access to data throughout the product lifecycle. Semiconductor Lifecycle Management helps you resolve product lifecycle challenges and changes in one place by helping you build and manage the digital twin of your products. Architected for the cloud, Teamcenter X is a scalable SaaS PLM solution that simplifies deployment, eliminates the unpredictable costs of managing and updating your software, and turns your software capital expenses into operational expenses. Enjoy improved business continuity with the cloud while delivering easy access for anyone, anywhere, with the highest standards for privacy and data security. Start and grow with SaaS flexibility to test new PLM features and functionalities to find the best fit for your business. Discover the power of cloud, SaaS PLM with Siemens Teamcenter X Semiconductor Industry Solution.